Memory refers to retaining and recalling information over a period of time, depending upon the nature of cognitive tasks you are required to perform. It might be necessary to hold an information for a few seconds. For example, you use your memory to retain an unfamiliar telephone numbers until you have reached the telephone instrument to dial, or for many years you will still remember the technique of adding and subtracting, which you perhaps learned during your early schooling. Memory is conceptualized as process consisting of three independent thought inter- interrelated stage, these encoding, storing, storage, and retrieval. Any information received by us necessarily goes through these stages. Encoding is the first stage, which refer to process by which information is recorded and registered for the first time to so that it becomes usable by our memory system. Whenever an external stimulus impinging on our sensory organ, it generates neural impulses. These received in different areas of our brain for further processes in encoding. Incoming information is received and some meaning is derived. It is then represented in many ways so that it can be processed further. B. Storage. Storage is the second stage of memory. Information which was encoded must also be stored so that it can be put to use later. Storage therefore refer to the process through which information is retained and held over a period of time. C. Retrieval is the third stage of memory. Information can be used only when one is able to recover it from his memory. Retrieval refer to bringing the stored information to his awareness so so that it can be used for performing various cognitive tasks such as problem solving or decision making. It may be interesting to note that memory failure can occur at any of these stages. You may fail to recall an information because you did not encode it properly, or the storage was weak so you could not access or retrieve it when required.